What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 25 cents every 10 seconds and get you some free PayPal money. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 25 cents every 10 seconds. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And usually I give away some free money. So please do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video. And if you have any questions, please drop that in the comments below also. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, I'm not going to take too long. I'm just going to go ahead and get into this method right now. And so please watch this video all the way to the very end so you know fully how you can earn that 25 cents every 10 seconds. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm in the App Store, the Apple App Store. And I'll tell you the name of the app in a few moments. But basically what you're going to be doing is answering questions and getting paid for them. So similar to a survey site, but the difference is you don't have to answer a whole bunch of questions and it takes 20, 30, 40 minutes long to answer all these questions and then get paid. And then you get points. Not on this app. This app you get money with just one question. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. So it says here, get paid to share your opinion, get market research questions straight to your mobile phone. So you're going to get the questions sent straight to your phone. And here's some of the questions. Here's the example right here. And it shows your money that you earn at the top. And here's a few questions right here. And let me go right here and let me go ahead and read this one question. It says, where do you get your morning coffee? Then they have some choices here. So if you pick local coffee shop, you just click the submit button and boom, congrats. You've just been paid 25 cents via PayPal. So you get 25 cents. That didn't take about 10 seconds straight to your PayPal instantly. Now, let me go down here and I'll just read a little bit more about it right quick for you guys. Say, name of this app is 1Q. 1Q pays you or a charity you choose an instant 25 cents every time you share a simple question. So, that's all you have to do. You have to just share a simple They share a simple question with you. You answer that question and you get paid 25 cents. And it takes less than 10 seconds. It goes straight to your PayPal account. So let's just scroll down here and see what the rating is. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.4. And I'm going to read one of the reviews right here. It says 1Q is probably my favorite survey app, not because it pays a lot, but because the surveys are quick and simple, and money is deposited immediately into your PayPal account, no matter the amount. It is a small amount, but over time, it does build up. So this person is satisfied with getting 25 cents every time they answer one question. But they said over time it builds up. So over time, that 25 cents can build up to $1. That dollar can build up to $2. That $2 can be built up to 5, 10, and so on and so forth. So this is a good app, a good survey app to start if you want to just get a quick 25 cents to your PayPal account instantly. So again, this is available on Google Play also. So it's available on Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. And again, the name of this is 1Q. Sorry for the interruption, but it shows here that 74% of you guys have not subscribed to my channel. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now so you can be part of the Grind family and receive all the benefits. Now back to the video. All right, now you know the method on how to earn 25 cents every 10 seconds. So go ahead and download that app, start answering those little simple questions, and start getting this money. Now, this method is not gonna make you rich, but I do have a way where you can start making some steady income on a monthly basis. If you just check in the description below where it says my #1 recommended method to make money on autopilot. Click on that link and it's going to show you everything you need to know to start making money on autopilot, and it will show you how to become your own boss and become financially free. Also check out some other things I have in the description below. I have a link which you can click on where you can get money right now. So check all that out in the description below. All right, thank you for watching my video today. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, because the like button, when you hit that like button, it does help out my channel. So help me to get at least 100 likes, because that will help my channel to be more visible on YouTube. And you know what that means? More potential viewers and more potential subscribers, because I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. That's my next milestone. Once I get there, I'm going to reward somebody that's part of this Grind family, one of you subscribers, some free money. So help me get to 2,000 subscribers. Please drop a comment down below and make that a creative comment, because sometimes I give shout outs in my videos. So if I like your comment and it's very creative, I might shout you out in my next video. Also, if you have any questions about what I talked about today, leave that in the comments below too. And please share this on social media and on the internet everywhere, because I truly want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free coming in 2020. It's time. It's time to become financially free, become your own boss, and make this money on autopilot in 2020. So let's get out your seat and start grinding, baby. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. Thank you, Grind family, for your support. Keep supporting the brother, and I'm gonna keep dropping this money-making online content. One more thing before I leave. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Yes, it's here. Go cop the new app Grind gear right now. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies in all different colors. On sale right now at the App Grind store. Go cop yours right now. Don't hesitate. Click on the link in the description or the bio.
And get your grind. Grind TV.